Good morning. It's Thursday of week 2, and I just want to make sure everybody's doing okay. Um, Notice that this week in your discussion, one of the things I'm asking you to do is your response is to be a video walking through somebody's post. And I have an example right here. It's pretty long, but I think it's also good instruction for how to do Gauss-Jordan elimination. And most people will pick addition and subtraction this week because it's easier. But if you're having any problems worrying about how to do that, just shoot me an email and I can walk you through it. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now to do mine, and mine is very similar to something like this. So please let me know. Don't forget you have a discussion. You also have, this week, a quiz and 3 homeworks. Also, I don't know that I mentioned this last week, but there is an ebook that I provide. And if you click it, one of the things I suggest, sometimes my page numbers aren't right on, but if you scroll down just to the table of contents, you should be able to read what you're doing this week. So for instance, I can see Introduction to Matrices. That's going to be the addition and subtraction stuff. And so that way you would be able to read page 41 to 51 for that. And then the Gauss-Jordan method is on page 51. So if you also like to have a textbook, click that eText link, look at the table of contents, look up the topic we're covering, and find the pages to read. Have a great week.